I just like the idea of pushing myself. I've never done really camping before.
Yeah, just look at the side behind me.
It kind of says everything, really.
It kind of says everything.
Il n'y a pas de bruit, on n'entend pas de moteur. On est tout seul et ça c'est incroyable.
You're alone? Well, not alone, you're with some very good friends. The group of you alone against the outdoor.
J'avais envie de vivre une expérience canadienne complètement immergée dans la nature, de vivre vraiment en symbiose avec la nature le temps d'un week-end.
A campfire at night and then just watching the stars once the clouds clear up.
Ça fait énormément de bien d'être déconnecté de la ville et de prendre le temps de regarder les paysages.
The fact that you have no choice but to observe and enjoy what's around you. We've become too reliant, I think, on sort of phones and television and the internet to try and get through life, and coming out here and having only a camera to sort of occupy yourself with really makes you realise what's worth living and why we're out here in the first place.
There are no real words to describe the beauty. You just need to be here, so that's one of the main reasons.
It's one of those things you don't do every day.